Open the lid of the charging case. The earbuds will automatically power on for initial use. Enter System Settings of your phone and enable Bluetooth. Find UGREEN EchoBuds Magic in the list. Manually click on the Bluetooth name to connect, and it will show connected when pairing is successful. App downloading. Search for and download the UGREEN Home in the App Store, or use a browser to scan the QR code on the user manual to download it. Open the app. A prompt and a pop-up window will appear after entering the app. App access rights are enabled by default. Login account. Use email address to register or log in as guest. Click to register if necessary. Register an account and login. If you do not need to register an account, check the agreement at the bottom. Click the guest login below. After logging in, click Add Device. App automatically searches for nearby Bluetooth devices. Click to search for the UGREEN EchoBuds Magic. To connect, enter the homepage of the app. After the connection is successful, check the battery level of both earbuds at the top of the interface. Noise control. Noise cancelling on, noise cancelling off, transparency mode. Adjust noise control modes to match your earbuds environment. Equalizer settings. Customize music effects to suit your preferences. Gaming mode is ideal for low latency streaming like movies and gaming, enabling gaming mode to reduce latency. Spatial audio is ideal for watching movies and other videos. It is not recommended to listen to music with spatial audio enabled. Dual connection. You can connect to Bluetooth devices. Switch the sound playback effect. Find your earbuds can locate the connected earbuds. Select an earbud to play a prompt sound at maximum volume. Support LDAC decoding after high-res audio decoding is enabled. iOS system does not support LDAC. Touch control. Supports customized settings. Single tap, double tap, triple tap, or press hold. Customize each for different functions. Device name change. Bluetooth name can be modified. The modified Bluetooth name is only effective within the app. The earbuds Bluetooth name will display as UGREEN EchoBuds Magic when searching on your phone. Earbud prompt tones can be set to English or ringtone modes. Set the volume of the earbud prompt tones. Firmware upgrade feature enables app optimization to align with product updates. When clicked, a prompt will show if a new firmware version is available. Restore factory settings. Resets the earbuds to default and clears pairing history after confirmation. After restoring the earbuds to factory settings, you need to repair and connect to earbuds. Delete the device. Delete the Bluetooth connection record in the app. Disconnect. Disconnect the earbuds from the app. Click on Charging Case Settings. Connection precautions will appear for initial connection. Enter the Charging Case Settings interface. Connecting is displayed as it searches for nearby charging cases automatically. Target charging case found and pairing prompt displayed. Interface of successful charging case connection. Connection field reasons. 1. Ensure the charging case screen is active. 2. Make sure no other Bluetooth devices are connected to the charging case. The charging case can connect within 3 minutes after the screen turns off. After 3 minutes, turn the screen on again to connect. Click on the lyrics color display interface. Users can set the lyrics color. Click on More Wallpapers. Dynamic wallpaper. Users select the dynamic wallpaper they like in the list. Click to change immediately. System will upload wallpaper. Static wallpaper. Users select the static wallpaper they like in the list. Click to change immediately. System will upload wallpaper. Customize. Click to upload. Allow UGREEN to access your phone's photos and media files. Select the photos to be uploaded. Crop and adjust the image, then confirm. Click to change. Enable dual connection in the app on the Bluetooth device already paired with the earbuds. Open the lid of charging case with earbuds inside. Then press and hold the button for 3S. The earbuds will enter pairing mode. Use the 2ND Bluetooth device to search for the earbuds Bluetooth name. Search for and connect to UGREEN EchoBuds Magic. You can view the Bluetooth device the earbuds are currently connected to in the app of the first paired device after a successful connection. When using the charging case, the earbuds and charging case must be connected to the Bluetooth device. Press and hold for 3S to turn it on. Press and hold for 3S again to turn it off. Single tap to activate or deactivate the screen. Swipe right to access the music control interface. Double tap the screen to slide and unlock. Swipe left the charging case display interface. Music control. Tap screen to play, pause music playback. Switch between previous track, next track. Volume adjustment. Volume up, volume down. Noise control. Noise cancelling on, noise cancelling off. Ambient sound. Mode selection. Spatial sound. Gaming mode. Sound effect mode. 8 groups of EQ switching. Find your earbuds. Find left earbud. Find right earbud. Screen brightness. Language selection. Screen active duration. Screen active duration. Remote photo taking. Open the camera of the Bluetooth device and click the camera in the charging case to take a photo. Lyrics display. Lyrics will only display if supported by the music app. Android phones support remote page turning. iOS system versions above 17 need to be set up on the phone. Setting method. Go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch Assistive Touch, then turn on Assistive Touch. Adjust the speed in the tracking sensitivity progress bar. At the 1/3 mark of the progress bar. If the speed is too high or low, adjust it to the 1/3 mark on the progress bar. After setup, you can use the remote page turning and lag functions while watching short videos. Click More in-app directly click to factory reset. Open the lid of the charging case. Press and hold the button on the charging case for 10S. The indicators on both earbuds flash for 3S simultaneously. The earbuds have been reset successfully. This tutorial ends here. Thank you for watching.